one. Hold on.
27. Now I know what you're thinking. What is going on, Dre? What is happening in that clip? Well, let's start from the very beginning. So yeah, I finally made it to the hotel. Even though I live in Miami, I got a hotel. It's like, I don't know why, I just felt like it. If you hear that little tinkling in the background, that's my dad peeing. Just made it to the hotel and already got recognized. Thank you to the cute girl who said hi. Nice meeting you. Hopefully I see you today again. I think Jellybean Nose and Nikes is staying here. Look at that lighting though. That lighting though. They gave us free cookies. So I just got here at K-pop Con. Hey, what's my dad?
Hey, what's going on?
I got a gift here from an awesome person. I got a gift here from an awesome person. Dragon Ball Z? I was struggling. Oh, well, I don't know if you're supposed to do that, Dad.
I don't know.
My dad broke it. A freaking Dragon Ball? What? Thank you. Wait, no, wait, what? No.
Focus.
Oh, hey. Okay. Now you got that quality, though. Came there Thursday
Afternoon.
Okay. What'd you do? You just chilled?
Chilled. I went to some random bar. Yeah. Met some people. Interesting things.
I don't know.
I mean, like.
You probably live where I live because he said 20 minutes away from here.
Yeah, it was 20 minutes away
It
from
took me
here.
15 minutes to get here. But alright. Mr. Pogo, y'all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, Popo. What's up? Guess who I'm with? Amy Lee Lucas. What you doing here? You here to like teach some people?
Something like that.
Something like that? Party in Miami?
Here to like learn some salsa moves in Miami.
Oh,
Can you
teach me. I don't know any. I need it. It's surprising. I look Spanish and I don't know it.
Oh man. I was born salsa.
You know, I didn't know you were actually Filipino.
I am.
I did not. I'm half Filipino and Jamaican. Half Filipino, Jamaican. It's mind blowing. I know, right?
Wow.
Got the.
That's really cool. I'm just half Filipino, half Filipino.
That's awesome. That's hot as well.
Yay.
Anyways.
I'll see you at KCON. Hey.
Israel, what's up? What's up?
What's up?
Right into the sun, forget it all tonight.
What? Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! As you saw, I got this dope ass picture, but I had to go pee really bad, so I just saw as you saw, and I said thank you. But this is so freaking awesome. Love it. I'm trying not to get it wet, man. I don't want to get dirty. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at that.
Sorry guys, it's my birthday. You guys, but my phone's been blowing up like every 5 seconds. I've danced in the industry for years. I did a lot of commercials, music videos, movies. I did a thing with Walk Through Productions. Those are my good friends. I was covered by JK Films. I host World of Dance Tour.
Hamida.
No, I mean, I'm not
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What? So we just literally came to CVS just to get headphones.
We did not. Not really interested in any of this. This is a map. Oh, you're recording this. This is
Let's go, lady. Thank you.
So I've been kidnapped.
Yeah.
Day one.
Oh my god.
These are the people. Introduce.
Hello.
What's up? And then we got everybody here. It's like a reincarnation of
I'm
you.
the one doing the kidnapping.
Right here.
You were told that you were gonna
I was told I was gonna be fed Korean food.
We lied.
They have sushi too. It's really good.
Sushi? Oh.
Yeah, they're like
But it doesn't matter because I'm kidnapped.
Puppies to go.
puppies.
Are we gonna get puppies?
I don't know where we going.
Where are we?
They have a money.
What is this place?
Is it the liquor store?
Maybe the liquor store.
Oh my god, let's go.
Here.
Small daddy. Are you serious?
Small daddies.
Oh my god. The pain every time.
We may or may not have a party. 5 hours late. I said 5 hours late, but we're here.
No, you're on the spot. Okay, I see you. I see you.
Oh my god, Jay took a bite of it.
My name is Minho. El gato no es bueno si no tú eres cantante. ¿De qué será el diablo?
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Get that. are you here? Are you here?
That's one time. Oh! Oh, sh-
Hey, what's up, girl? You more focused than I am. Oh, that was nice. That was nice. Look at that. Oh, okay.
I don't want to focus on Dre.
No, ew. As K-pop Con Miami is over, it was fun. It's good to meet people that are like, hold up, this damn noise ruining this damn whole conversation with y'all. Like I was saying, it's always good to meet people who you relate with, and that's what conventions are for. Whether it's artist or no artist, I know you guys want to see a big artist, but it's good to get out there and meet new people, make new friends, because that's what we should do as a K-pop community. We have an interest, we have the same interest in something, and I feel like these kind of things that like these amazing people try to set up is awesome. We could celebrate about, you know, our biases, our feels, and, you know, relate to one another. And that's why I support like K-pop Con Miami, or K-pop Con USA, I'm sorry, but it's in Miami. I support it because, you know, we could bond together. It's a way of bonding. We make friends. It's over, and I'm out. I'm so tired, y'all. It was fun, though it was a turn up, but it was a small turn up. It was still fun. Yeah.